In this video, we're going to build a histogram from a column of data. The first thing that I need to do is select the data. I'm going to use my mouse to click on the column heading for the column of data that I want to select. To select the whole column quickly, I'm going to hold down my Control key, hold down my Shift key at the same time, and then tap and release the down arrow. This will select all of the data in that column in one shot. I'm going to use my scroll bar on the far right to scroll back to the top of the page, and here's my column of data. I'm ready to build the chart. I'll click on the Insert tab on the ribbon, and then in the Insert tab on the ribbon I'm going to go to the Statistical Chart icon, or the Statistic Chart icon, and I'm going to click on that. When that comes up, I see my histogram, and I go ahead and click on that, and that will create my histogram chart.